Greetings, everyone. Welcome to today's session in our structured learning series on the FAIS issued by the icai. In this session, we will deep dive into FAIS 350, Review and Supervision, a standard that ensures quality, accountability, and consistency in forensic assignments. This standard emphasizes a crucial but often overlooked aspect: the oversight and supervision of that work to ensure it is aligned with professional standards, engagement objectives, and ethical conduct. First point is objective of FAIS 350. The primary objective is to ensure that all forensic work is subject to appropriate levels of supervision and independent review, thereby enhancing the credibility, accuracy, and defensibility of the investigation findings. Next is applicability. This standard applies to all forensic engagements, irrespective of the size of the assignment, the number of personnel involved, the nature of the entity or client. Now we will discuss key components of review and supervision. FAIS 350 defines two critical activities. First, supervision. Supervision refers to guiding junior team members in their tasks, monitoring progress and alignment with the engagement plan, ensuring compliance with relevant laws, standards, and ethics, providing clarifications on technical or procedural issues. Supervision must be ongoing, not just at the beginning or end of an assignment. Second, review. Review includes evaluating working papers, evidence gathered, and conclusions drawn, checking adherence to planning documents and standard procedures, ensuring documentation is complete, accurate, and traceable, identifying errors, gaps, or inconsistencies in work performed. The review may be internal, within the team, or external peer-based for independent assurance. Next topic is responsibilities of team members. Engagement leader, responsible for overall quality control, strategic oversight, and approving final deliverables. Team members must perform assigned work diligently and cooperate in supervision and review. Supervisors, reviewers, must maintain independence in their assessment and ensure work is free of bias, technical lapses, and documentation gaps. Now we will discuss methods of supervision and review. Some key tools and techniques include checklists and supervision logs, stage-wise reviews, planning, execution, reporting, regular team meetings to monitor progress, review notes or memos highlighting deficiencies, feedback and corrective actions. Reviews may be formal, documented, or informal, discussions and coaching, but must always be evident and auditable. Next point is legal and ethical accountability. The standard also focuses on accountability. If supervision or review is inadequate, the entire assignment may be compromised, leading to legal exposure, professional misconduct, or loss of credibility. Reviewers must be objective and must escalate issues of fraud, non-cooperation, or data manipulation if found during oversight. Confidentiality must be maintained during supervision and review processes, especially when dealing with sensitive findings. Time for practical scenario. Scenario: a forensic team is investigating a bribery case. A junior team member misinterprets vendor payment data, leading to a flawed conclusion in the draft report. Application of FAIS 350. The engagement leader reviews the working papers and identifies the discrepancy. A clarification session is held with the team member. The data is reanalyzed and corrected. The final report is amended and reviewed again before submission. Result: potential reputational damage and factual errors are avoided because of an effective review process. Now we will discuss documentation requirements under FAIS 350. Proper documentation is essential to prove that review and supervision occurred. This includes review checklists and sign-offs, comments, queries, and resolutions, revisions made based on review observations, supervisory notes, and decisions. This documentation is crucial in peer reviews, quality reviews, and legal proceedings, if any arise. Time for key takeaways. Supervision and review are not optional. They are critical quality control mechanisms. Engagement leaders must proactively manage the quality and direction of forensic work. The review process must ensure that procedures were followed, evidence is sufficient, and conclusions are valid. Proper documentation of supervision and review ensures transparency, accountability, and compliance with icai's standards. Now conclusion. In conclusion, FAIS 350. Review and supervision is a cornerstone of forensic quality assurance. It ensures that every opinion, conclusion, and recommendation stands on a foundation of diligent oversight and structured validation. As forensic professionals, our work must not only be correct, it must also be reviewed and verified to be credible, defensible, and compliant. Thank you for your attention.